Today I'm going to show you how to change grid lines on Wix. This is a really useful feature when you want more precise control over your design layout and element positioning. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage your site's design and structure. Now, from this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you actually wish to change grid lines on. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites under one account. Next, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, which makes it fairly easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. Start by locating the Tools menu on the top right corner of your screen. This menu is where you can access important layout features like grid lines, ruler, and snap to objects options. These tools help you align and position elements with precision. If you wish to change your grid lines, simply turn the grid lines option off. Then, turn the ruler on instead. Now you'll notice the ruler appears on the top and right part of your screen. This ruler gives you a visual guide for measurements and spacing. Click on the ruler to set your own custom grid lines. With this procedure, you can create grid lines that fit your specific design needs rather than relying on the default grid layout. This level of customization allows you to build more unique and precisely aligned designs. And that's it. You've now changed your grid lines on Wix and customized your design workspace to better suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.